Good morning, children. Welcome to Maths class. Children, today we are going to discuss the answer key for Maths test. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. First one, right angle is dash. Right angle value is 90 degree. Second one, supplementary angle value is 180 degree. Which of the following number is square number? Square number value is 36. Multiply the same number. 6 6 are 36. Fourth one, what is the next square number of 49? So 49, 7 sevens are 49, we can write. So next square number, 8 eights are 64. 64 is the answer. Next, factor of 6. Factor of 6 means it comes in which table? 1 table, 2 table, and then 3 table and 6 table. So first option A is the answer. Next, multiple of 9 is. So multiple of 9 is 9 table, it comes in 87 or 72. So 72 it comes how many times? 8 9s are 72. Next, angle of a circle is, full circle value is 360 degree. Eighth one, dash is the largest unit of volume. So largest unit value is kiloliter or milliliter. Kiloliter is the answer. The only even prime number is dash. Even prime number is, even numbers are first start with, we can write 0, 2, 4, 6. So even prime number is 2. 2 is the answer. 10th one, R dash D, B dash D, W dash D. So the letter is, the missing letter is E. So we write red, bed, bed. So E is the answer. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, complementary angle is dash. Complementary angle value is 90 degree. Answer 90 degree. Second one, the square number of 2 is, square number value for 2 square. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4 is the answer. Third one, factor of 7. So 7 it comes in which table? First we write 1 table. So 1 and then 7 table. So 1 comma 7 is the answer. Next, LCM of 4 comma 12. 4 comma 12. 4 and 12 it comes in same table. For which table means 4 it comes in 4 table and 12 it comes in 4 table also. So we write least common value, multiple value is 4. Answer 4. Next, fifth one, C dash 80, B dash 80, G dash 80. The missing letter is O. So goat, boat, goat is the answer. Sixth one, 9500 milligram is equal to, we write 9 gram 500 milligram. Seventh one, 7 kilogram 400 gram is equal to dash gram. We write 7400 gram. Next, 0 angle value dash. 0 angle value is 0 value. The square number of 5 is dash. Square number of 5. So 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25 is the answer. 10th one, LCM of 5 comma 15. So least common multiple value for 5 and 15 means 5 it comes in 5 table and 15 also comes in 5 table. So least common value is 5. Roman letter 3, match the following. First one, 4500 milliliter. So we write 4 liter 500 milliliter is the answer. Next, 3250 milliliter. So the answer 3 liter 250 milliliter is the answer. Next, kilogram. The short form of kilogram is kg. Next, straight angle. Straight angle value is 180 degree. Next, 3 into 3, 3 threes are 9 is the answer. Children, see the fourth Roman letter. First one, find the complementary angle. First one 45 degree, second one 30 degree. Already we know the complementary angle value. So first we write complementary angle is equal to complementary angle value is 90 degree. So 90 degree minus the first value is 45 degree. So we subtract 45 degree. So 90 minus 45 degree means we get 45 degree. Next, complementary angle value we have to find 30 degree. So next we write complementary angle is equal to complementary angle value 90 degree, the given value minus 30 degree. So 90 minus 30 get 60 degree. So first value answer 45 degree, second value answer 60 degree. Children, see the second sum. Write the square numbers. First one 2 into 2, second one 3 into 3, third one 4 into 4. So already we know the square numbers. Any number, square number means any number multiply by itself means the numbers are called square number. So first one 2 multiply by the same number 2 into 2. Already we know the formula 2 twos are 4. This one we write 4 power 2 or 4 square we can say. Next 3 into 3, 3 threes are 9. So we write 3 power 2. So multiply same number 2 time means we write that number power 2, that means 3 square. Next one 4 into 4. So 4 fours are 16. This one we write 4 square, 4 power 2 or 4 square we can say. Third one, fill in the blanks. So first one C dash AT, next one B dash AT, G dash AT. So missing letter is O, goat, boat, goat. So we write O, O, same letter. Next night, light. So missing letter is IGHT, right? Bite, BIGHT. Fourth sum, find the supplementary angle. First one 110 degree, second one 150 degree. So supplementary angle value we have to find means already we know the supplementary angle value. What is the supplementary angle value? Supplementary angle is equal to what is the value? Supplementary angle value is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus the given value 110 degree. Now subtract the value 180 minus 110 means we get 70 degree. Next 150 degree. So first we write supplementary angle value. Supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. Now subtract the value 180 minus 150, get 30 degree. So first one value 70 degree, second 150 degree, supplementary value is 30 degree. Next question, add 4 kilogram to 50 gram plus 3 kilogram 450 gram. So first we write the given measurement. So first one is kilogram, second one is gram. So first kilogram value is 4. Next gram value is 250. Next second value 3 kilogram 450 gram. So kilogram value is 3, gram value is 450. The sum is addition. So put plus symbol. Now add the value. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So this one finished. The measurement is gram. So put gram. 4 plus 3, 7. So the answer is 7 kilogram 700 gram. Sixth question. Subtract 40 kilogram 350 gram minus 25 kilogram 200 gram. So the given measurements are kilogram and gram. First value kilogram value is 40, gram value 350. Next kilogram value 25, gram value 200. The sum is subtraction. So put subtraction symbol. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So the measurement is gram. Next 0 minus 5. 0 is the small value, 5 is the big value. So borrowing means this one change 10. 1 carry means remaining 3. So 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So the answer is 15 kilogram 150 gram. Seventh one. Write down the first 5 multiples for 7. So multiples means repeated addition. So we write the first 5 multiple for 7. Already we know the 7 table. So we write the value for multiple value for 7, or we have to add the 7, again 7 plus 7 value, again 7 plus that answer plus adding 7 means we get the next number. So now we write the multiples value. So multiples of 7 is equal to, first value is 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Or 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, 5 sevens are 35. So 1 time 7, again second time 14, 3 time 21, 4 time 28, 5 time 35. So we write it 5 multiples for 7. So this is the multiples of 7 value. Eighth one. Find the factors 25. So factors value we write means any number given means that number you have to multiply the one table, and then which table it comes, so that tables you have to write. So we write 25. First we multiply the one table. So 125 is a 25 we write. Again it comes in 2 table means no. So ending number is 5 means we take 5 tables. So we write 5 5s are 25. So factor for 25 means it comes in 1 table and 25 table and 5 table. Fifth Roman letter, first one. Find the factor tree for 33. So factor tree value, how do we have to find means, first we write the given value 33. This value, which 2 number we have to multiply get 33, that value we have to write. So we multiply the number for 11 threes are 33. So the answer is 11 threes are 33 is the factor 3 value. Second question, 4 kilogram 300 gram into 7. So the sum is multiplication. We have to multiply the value for this value for 7 table. So first we write the 7 table. 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, 5 sevens are 35. Now we have to multiply the value. First the symbol is, the measurement is gram. We write gram. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 0 again get 0. Any number multiply by 0 means we get 0. Next 7 threes are the value is 21. So 21 means we write ones place value write down. Tens place value we write next digit upper we have to write. So 2 you have to write this side. So 3 digit afterwards put kilogram symbol. Next 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 2 we get 30. So the answer is 30 kilogram 100 gram. Third sum, subtract 985 kilogram 475 gram minus 275 kilogram 325 gram. So the given measurement first we write kilogram, gram. So kilogram value 985, gram value 475. Next kilogram value 275, gram value 325. The sum is subtraction. So put subtraction symbol. Now subtract the value. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, get 5. 4 minus 3, 1. So the measurement we write gram. Next 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. So the measurement is kilogram. So the answer is 710 kilogram, 150 gram. Children, see the fourth question. Add 75 kilogram 400 gram plus 30 kilogram 250 gram. So the given measurement first we write kilogram, gram. Kilogram value 75, gram value 400. Next kilogram value 30, gram value 250. Next the sum is addition. So put plus symbol. Next add the value. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Any number add 0 means we get same number. So 0 plus 5 means we get 5. 4 plus 2, 6. So the measurement gram. 650 gram. Next 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 3, 10. So the value is 105 kilogram, 650 gram. Sixth Roman letter, first one. What is the total weight of 7 kilogram 500 gram of cashew nut and 3 kilogram 350 gram of pista? In this question, the given values are, two values is given. One is weight of cashew nut value is 7 kilogram 500 gram. Next one is pista value 3 kilogram 350 gram. We have to find the total weight value. We have to find the total weight. So now we write the answer. First one, weight of cashew nut. is equal to, what is the cashew nut value? 7 kilogram 500 gram. Next, pista value, we write weight of pista is equal to, what is the value? 3 kilogram 350 gram. So in this question, total, the word total is given. So total means the sum is addition. Two values is given. We have to find the total value, means the sum is addition. So put plus symbol. Now add the value. First the measurement is gram. We write 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 5 plus 3, 8. So 850 gram. Next the measurement is kilogram. 7 plus 3, 10. So the value is total weight value. So total weight is equal to, what is the value? 10 kilogram 850 gram is the answer. Second sum, find the factor tree for 18. So already we know the factor tree sums. First the given value we write 18. So factor tree means which two number multiply get this number we have to find. So 18 means we take, first it comes in 2 table and we have to check. So already we know that 2 9s are 18. So again 2 we take, means 1 2s are 2 only we write. So we will not write. This one we take 9. So 9, which two number we have to multiply? 3 3s are 9. So first 18 we write, 2 9s are 18. Next 2 we write, 1 2s are 2. So 1 we not we write only 1 2s are 2. So we will not write this value. 9 we write, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is first value 2 into 9. Next 9 we write 3 into 3. Third sum, find LCM of 12 and 28. So LCM means least common multiple. So first value we write 12. Take 2 table. Which table we have to take? The tables you have to write outside. In 2 table 12, how many times are there? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. So we write 6, 2 table 12, it comes in 6 times. Next 2 table again we take it, 2 table 6, how many times are there? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So 3 we write. Next 3, it comes in 2 table? No. So we take 3 table. 1 3s are 3. Again next value 28. So 28 we take 2 table. 2 table, first value 2, how many times are there? 1 2s are 2, and then next value 8. So 8 in 2 table, how many times are there? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So 14 times it comes in 2 table for 28. Next again take 2 table. So 2 table, 14 how many times are there? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. Next 7, it comes in 2 table? No. It comes in 3 table? No. 4 table? No. 5 table? No. 6 table? No. 7 table? So 7 it comes in 7 table. So take 7 table. How many times? Only one time. Now write the value. 12 is equal to outside value we write 2 into 2 into 3. Next 28 value. 28 is equal to outside value 2 into 2 into 7. Now common value both 12 and 28 common value. Now circle 2 and 2 is common. Next 2 and 2 is common. Next write the LCM. So LCM is equal to common value 2 time is there, we have to write only one time, into 2 common, so only one time we write. Outside value, first value for in the first row 3, second row outside value 7. Now multiply the value. 2 twos are 4, 3 sevens are 21. Next now multiply the value 21 into 4. 1 fours are 4, 4 twos are 8. So the LCM value is 84. So least common value is 84. Fourth sum, divide 99 kilogram 990 gram divided by 3. So first value we write inside. So we write first measurement kilogram, gram, kilogram value 99, gram value 990. Next outside we write second value 3. So 3 table 2 we have to divide the value. So first we write 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So compare that first value for 3 table, first value 9. It comes in 3 table, 3 threes are 9. So we write how many times? 3 times. So we write how many times, the times you have to write in quotient. So 3 threes are 9. The answer we write down. Now subtract the value. 9 minus 9 get 0. Next put arrow mark. Take next digit 9. Next in 3 table 3 times it comes. So how many times? 3 times. So 3 threes are 9. Subtract the value. 9 minus 9 get 0. Next this kg value we have to finish, means in the quotient we put kilogram. Next digit 9. So 3 times it comes. So we write 3. 3 threes are 9. Subtract 9 minus 9 get 0. Take next digit 9. So 9, how many times are there? 3 times. 3 threes are 9. Subtract 9 minus 9 get 0. This 0, next last digit is 0. Adding 0 means no value. So this 0 you can adding the quotient. So the measurement is gram. So the answer is quotient is equal to 33 kilogram 330 gram. Remainder is equal to, remainder value is 0. This is the answer. Thank you, students.